we will put here.
Guava.
Hey!
Guava.
No throwing.
Okay.
On your march.
Wait. The first lesson is do not try to stand on this area. Okay. And spin your wheel in slow motion. Wait. I don't care to you, guava. I don't care to you, orange. You can just not go to these trials because you're a safe driver already, maybe. So you don't need.
Ow!
That's our bed.
Sorry everyone. Bumaksak po.
English.
Ay. Sorry. I'm speaking in Tagalog. Sorry. The bed
Our bed
our bed is full.
has fallen.
Has full and
Okay. It's our. We don't
Sakit,
need
ah.
these trials anymore. Okay. Get out of my way. Airy, the photographer, get out of my way.
This is my face.
Okay, the next one is do not cover your face anything that will make you have an accident, like pillow, some sunglasses, or anything that's dark. Okay. Next,
Can I drive?
on lesson 3. Okay, not like this.
Hey, hey, hey! Stop.
Okay. Lesson 3 is very simple.
Lesson 3, never put anything here because you will fall.
Just like this, the example of Airy. Go. And she will fall. See? Look at her face. Sad face. Sad face. Okay.
Okay, do not try this at home, kids.
You're a kid too, you know.
I know.
Okay. Fourth lesson is do not fall asleep. Make sure that the driver or you are the driver. Make sure that you have someone to talk to so you won't be bored. Just like this, she fell asleep while driving. Not on me. Please. She fell asleep and now that's the reason why. Okay, for the fifth lesson is do not put anything in your car. If your car is big enough, so you can just put anything, but not in the driver's seat or driver's glass.
Do not.
Let's imagine that this is the glass. Okay, you are the glass and I'm the driver. And I put something in you. See, I will just crash. You're the glass. Okay, say goodbye, Ellie.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching and just like and subscribe our video, please. This is our dream to make a video on YouTube. Just please. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye.